Hi, today I want to share with you how I repaired my orange juicer. Today when I tried to use the orange juicer, I found out that when I put a pressure on the orange juicer, it will stop. So I thought there should be an issue with the gear system. So I tried to open the orange juicer. I faced a small problem. When I looked at the hole which screw is hidden inside and I put a light on it, I find out that one of the screws are they have a different shape. By looking at it, I thought that if I modify one of the screwdriver on this shape, which you can see, it could open it. I was not quite sure that it will match it, but I had to try it. So I used one of my screwdrivers, which is I no more needed it. It was quite old, and I grind the head of it to match with it. But I was lucky, and it did work, and I opened the screw. And I actually that the screw I opened it first to make sure that it can be open, and then I opened the rest of the screw, which was normal Phillips screw. Now I can remove the top from the bottom. Here you can see this is the normal Phillips type screws, which is two of the screws was like that, and the third one, which is I opened it with that modified screwdriver, is different. I actually got kind of lucky also that the screwdriver is really properly matched the shape of the screw. And now I have to try the gear, and as we can say, the gear is actually it's there is a crack on the gear, and it shows that it is when there is a strength coming on the main gear, that will not properly work. It also easily came out from the shop, which shows that there was a problem. So the way I decided to repair this, because I was not quite sure that I can get this kind of gears from the service center. I thought that it is a small part and they will not be able to give it to me. So I decided I can maybe file the shaft to make it rectangular shape, and then I put some lines also on the shaft. I have cleaned both shaft and the inside gear with the nail polish remover. I thought there could be some sort of grease on the shaft and the gear, which will prevent it to stick properly. This is how I clean the gear. I have put some tissue on the toothpick, wet it with the nail polish remover, and then push it into the gear and turn it some turns, and then it clean. Now I have inserted the mixed epoxy into the gear, and I put some addition on the shaft to make sure that it's really evenly covered all the part of the shaft. as you can see, there is a crack on the gear, the crack which is caused the problem, and the epoxy is coming out from the crack. I have to now fix back the motor to its mount, and then I have to fix back the whole gearbox to the housing. I'm fixing back the gearbox system to the housing, and I need to insert the top portion and screw it back. Here I'm screwing back the system, the down part to the upper part. Now is the time to try it. It's not slipping like before, it's working. It's resisting to a stop, and now I'm juicing my orange with that. And this is how I repaired my orange juicer. I thought to share it with you. If you have such an orange juicer and have same problem, it may help you to repair yours. Thank you for watching.